Hi y'all, Renee here. I got a quick little order that I wanted to share with you. Everything here is from the core catalog that is good through the end of August next year or while supplies last. But I thought I'd go ahead and give you a look at some of them. Some of these items I'm going to be using in the next few days, so you get to see them a little better and what they can do. The first thing I want to show you is just a couple of our new colors, Sundance and Cinnamon. I have some more colors coming, and I'll show those to you when they get here. Bluebell, Desert Rose, Scarlet, Flamingo, Grape, and Avocado. And they all are the colors they sound like they are. So I really like the way they name the colors this season. So, and again, these are all available through the end of August next year. These are our new colors. So here's two of them. Then something new we've started carrying is shaker windows, foam, and acetate that are rectangles and squares. And what's really neat about these, and I'll go ahead and pull them out and hopefully the camera will pick this up, it's actually 3 sizes per package. And not only do you get the acetate you need, but you get the adhesive that you need that will cover those 3 sizes. And then all of these interior pieces that are just little squares, those are for you to use for any other projects that you need some dimensional adhesive for. So we've got, let's see if I can make it so that you can actually see them. So there's the largest of the squares. We've got a medium sized, and then we've got the small. And you get 6 total in each package. And I have a project that I'm going to be making in a couple days using some of these. So that'll be fun to get some different shapes. So now we have hearts, we've got stars, we have our original circle, and now rectangles and squares. Then the next thing I wanted to show you is this fun stamp set that is called Fun from the Funny Farm. And it's just a lot of little punny sayings and some great little animals. They'd be great for coloring. These would be great to stamp onto bookmarks for your kids to color. They would make really cute cards, cute gift tags. Lots of fun things you can use this for. And again, this is from the core catalog, so this stamp set will be available through the end of August. Another stamp set that we now have is called Garden Gnomes. And this stamp set is just really cute, very on point for today. Gnomes are really a big deal right now. And all the ones that are highlighted in blue have a die to go with them if you choose to buy the stamp and die set. So let me pull the die set out for you so you can see that. It's actually really pretty big. Now, the stamp sets, we make our stamp sets in-house, so the stamp set will definitely be available through the end of August next year. However, our die cuts do come from out of the country. We just don't have the facilities to make them ourselves, unfortunately. So we are a little bit at the mercy of our die companies if they have the ability to get us more dies. So I would say if this is something that you want with the die, order it early rather than waiting until the end of the catalog. But it is awful cute, and I can't wait to get started working with this stamp set. Now, the next stamp set is actually 4 different stamps. Let's start with spring. This is the spring set, and it's a tree with little, you can do the green leaves and then pink flowers over what's coming to my mind. Little bicycle, the sun. And then you have summer, which gives you a couple more types of leaves. I love the tire swing. I think that's just going to be so cute to create a tire swing coming off the tree. Then you have autumn or fall. And that's where the leaves start falling. You've got a rake and a pile of leaves, and I love that little owl. He's so cute. And it's actually a 2-step owl, so you could do it in 2 colors. And then the winter one, which is really cute and comes with everything you need to make yourself a little snowman. And I love the snow shovel and the sled, and then it's got some little snow. You can also use this little stamp here to create just any kind of a texture. Doesn't necessarily have to be winter, you know, snow, but just to create a texture on a piece of paper. Then we have a die that coordinates with all 4 of these, and it is called the Window Thin Cut. And what it does is it creates a little window with shutters. It has a little light bar at the top and then a top and bottom. And this is what the die looks like. So I'm going to be using this in the next couple of days. I can't wait to show you what I'm making with this. So stay tuned for that. So that's that little set. Then the next die we have is really fun, and I cannot wait to use this. And what it is, it's called a waterfall die, and it creates a waterfall effect on your card. And I don't have one right now to show you what it looks like when it's completed, but I will make one up as soon as I possibly can. And it's a really neat effect where you pull the edge of this, what this die creates, you pull it, it slides, and each page flips on the front. I know it's really hard to explain, but I can't wait to put something together to show you. And then the final items that I have to show you from the core catalog are some background dies. Now these are a quick and easy way to make a card. These are the size of a card front, and you have a floral, which this is got floral background. It's called floral background. Really, really pretty. Then we have a heart background. This will be so sweet for Valentine cards and quick and easy. And the really good part is it cuts out all these hearts that you can use as embellishments elsewhere. Then we have, this one is called Stitched Lattice Background. And it not only cuts the background for you, but it also creates this embossing of stitched lines. Really, really pretty, real elegant, and it'll be a great way for you to take just plain solid color cardstock and jump it up a notch in a very quick manner. And then this one I really like. This one is called Olive Branches Background. And I love this one because it creates a little spot for you to put your sentiment. So you could create a really easy, almost a 1-layer card, and just come out with something really, really beautiful. So those are all of the items from the core catalog. Now I'm going to give you a sneak peek of some things that are coming up that will be in our November-December catalog. This catalog goes live November 1st, and it runs through December 31st or until supplies last. So the first thing that I wanted to show you is Serenity. This is one of our paper lines for November-December, and this is the card making workshop. The card making workshop makes 16 cards for 4 different designs, and as usual, it comes with an exclusive stamp and die set. So it's a pretty large set, and I think it's going to be very useful. Here is the stamps. Let me get those out so you can see them a little better. Okay, here are the stamps. Just really, really pretty. These will be great for coloring. These would be also good doing just as an embossed image, and it would just be very, very pretty. You could do just a white on black or black on white. And then here are the dies that go with it. So there's that. You also, in this kit, you get all the envelopes and the card bases that you need. You also get some silver embellishing thread. And I'll give you a quick look at the paper that comes in the kit. So this is one of the papers that's in the Serenity line. And then that is the opposite side of the paper. Just a real pretty background. And then you also get all of the solid color cardstock that you need to create the all 16 cards. So there are the colored cardstocks that you get. And let me show you the next. There's another card kit. Now there are also some other kits for scrapbooking, things like that. I just picked up the card kits because I need some cards for this time of year. So this one is called Jingle Joy, and this is one of our Christmas card making workshops. Again, it comes with an exclusive stamp and die set. I'll show you that. I thought this one would be very versatile for year-round because you could also turn this into birthday presents. So I thought that was really cute. And then here is the die set that you get with it. So that makes it really easy. These wouldn't be horrible to fussy cut, but heck, if you don't have to fussy cut, why do it? And then with this kit, you get the envelopes and the card bases, but you also get a bottle of silver stickles. Love stickles. They just really can jazz up your project and give it a whole new look. And then let me show you one of the papers from the Jingle Joy paper line. So one side has these beautiful trees and the other side has this really nice black and white plaid. You also get the colored cardstocks you need and everything else that you're going to need to make the cards. All you need to add is some adhesive, and if you'd like to put some things on dimension, go ahead and use some foam tape. And then I want to show you two more quick little things. This is the November stamp of the month. It is called You Warm My Heart. Really, really cute. I love this. And you can get this for $5 if you place a $50 order in the month of November. If you just want the stamp set alone, it's $18.95. And then I'll give you a sneak peek at the December stamp of the month. Isn't this beautiful? There are so many ways to use this stamp set. I can't wait to start playing with it. So that is everything that I had to show you today. If you have questions about any of the this is available through the end of November, and this will be available December 1st through the 31st. So if you have any questions, please just leave me a comment down below, and thanks for watching today. I will be back soon to put together some of these products and to show you some ideas for using them. I hope you're having a great day. Bye.